Hello traders. In previous video, I have explained how the long strangle and long straddle strategies work and how option buyers can capitalize using these straddle and strangle strategies. Today, I am giving you an exciting update. My Python script is almost ready. The algorithm is fully developed and I am currently running dry test. This means I am not placing live orders yet, but I am monitoring how it performs. Will it buy in the right condition and sell condition will happen properly and stop loss target, all these things are working properly. These things I'm checking right now. Here, whenever index is in uptrend, we will take entry for call option and put option both at a time. Right now, algo is ready for long straddle. I'm starting some live algo right now. Uh, Currently, the algo is working for dry test, as I said, and I will be doing live orders right now to test how buy and sell conditions happens in the live market. So right now, I have started the algo. Algo has taken entry. So ADX was good right now. Immediately, Algo has taken exit as well with 1500 rupees profit. We can see buy and sell orders both for 23 300 CE and PE. It is since it is long straddle. Within fraction of seconds, Algo has taken the entry and exit. Since it is for testing, I'm keeping stop loss and target very small. Based on the requirement, we can keep our stop loss and targets. Again, it has taken one more trade right now. Let's see how it performs. So the algo is really pretty fast, which takes trade within fraction of seconds. Buy, sell, both will happen immediately. And this script has been in work in progress for over a month now, and maybe in another 15-20 days, it will be ready. Yeah, it has taken the sell and 1500 rupees profit again. Overall profit is 3000. We can see target with PNL is 3000. Trade exited second time and again it has taken immediately one more time, one more trade. Let's see how it performs again now. This testing phase is really crucial to making this script flawless and I can't wait to share the final version with all of you. So now it is going into loss. Here, if it goes to stop loss, it will be good to check stop loss it or not. So here I'm keeping stop loss right now 3000 rupees. So in long straddle, there is no use of stop loss actually. If market is good movement only, we are taking the entry. If we keep the stop loss, if the movement is volatility is really good and market is moving with volatile, it may hit stop loss within fraction of seconds. So I'm keeping the stop loss little higher side on the target. It is double the target. Whatever the target we keep, that double the stop loss. I'm keeping right now. So this is how the algo works and we can see the performance as well. Buy condition happened perfectly with checking the conditions. Since the market is volatile currently, it has taken the entry and exits and right now again 1700 rupees profit taken. Yeah, we'll stop the video here. I think this is how the algo is working. You can check with me if you need any other information. Thank you. All the details are in description.